Just going to kind of do a walk around. This is a 1972 Opel GT with a 2.4 automatic. It's got Weber 45 DCOEs with a custom air intake. It's also got air conditioning, Honda aluminum radiator, all new master cylinder, big cylinder and big booster. It's got a electric power steering under the dash. It's got California style mirrors with the working turn signal. All the chrome was redone. All new door panels. All new interior. 2000 model Mazda Miata seats in original cloth. That's excellent shape. Air conditioning console. The automatic shifter. We've got a retro sound radio. Perfect dash, crack free. We've got a volt oil pressure meter. That's custom. All the gauges work, including the clock. It's got a custom wheel built from a guy out of Canada. I believe it's out of real maple. Kind of flip the seat up a little loud. Okay. Interior, got rear mounted speakers. The car does have louvers. That does make it hard for me. I've also working dome light. I've got it's got a brand new spare tire. Little room there. Said new 3-point seat belts. Those are STR 503 wheels. They're 15 by 8 with the Kumo tires on them. Like I said, all chromed, re-chromed bumpers. It's a stainless steel dual tip resonator from ATZ in Germany. All new emblems. Nice gas cap. Blacked out louvers. Kind of get you shot down there. The whole car has been truck bed lined underneath to give it years of protection. This color is a 2012 Mustang Yellow Blaze. It's a tri-coat color, so it means it was 3 coats to make it. So there's the door panel, door jamb decal with the VIN number, the other door jamb decals. So you can see other Mazda Miata seat. Okay, there's your choke. That's a USB port, SD card for your radio. Under here is the steering box. That's the power steering. I do have LED lights mounted on each side too. New heater plate, heater controls. A little noisy where I'm at. pressure. Fuel gauge clock has moved about 4 minutes. Electric fan on this as well.